POV, you make everything cinematic.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Kind.
So guys, if you also want to make this kind of cinematic video with mobile, then do not miss this video and watch this full video carefully. To make this kind of cinematic video, I am using Filmic Pro app. It is easily available in Play Store and App Store. You can use this app in both iPhones and Android phones. I am not using paid version or hack version of this app. I am just using free version of this app. At first, let's download this app from Play Store or App Store. After downloading, let's open this app. Make sure to connect your mobile phone with internet. After opening this app, this kind of interface will occur. After that, click on Accept option. Again, click on Get Started option. Click this option continuously until this kind of interface will occur. After that, click here and click on Skip option. After that, allow the all permissions. After allowing the all permissions, let's know the basic features of this app. At first, let's turn on the grid lines or thought guides. It helps adjust the perfect framing of the video. Click on F1 option to turn on the features. And if you have wide angle features in your mobile phone, click here and select 0.5x option. Then you can shoot your video in wide angle mode. Now let's talk about the brightness and focus control. Square shape is for focus and circle shape is for brightness control. If you want to focus any object, move the square shape towards the object, it will focus automatically. You can see I am moving the square shape towards the flower and it is focusing automatically. It works same for brightness also. And this option is for zoom. You can control zoom in and zoom out from here. You can also control focus and brightness manually. For that, tap on square and hold it. Again, tap on circle and hold it. It will look like scale in both left and right side. Left side is for brightness adjustment and right side is for focus adjustment. You can adjust it according to your frame. Now let's make cinematic video. I am shooting cinematic video in this natural environment. At first I am using zoom features to make closer to the flower. And I am using manual adjustment to control the focus and brightness adjustment. Here you can see how I focus the flower. And I am using manual brightness adjustment setting to adjust the brightness. And I am using grid lines to make frame perfect. Tap this white circle button to record the video. After recording the video, at last, let's save the recorded video in mobile gallery. For that, at first click here and select the video that you want to save. After that, click here and again click on Save Video option and your video will be saved on mobile gallery.
What do you want to be when you grow up?